سلام علیکم.
شما توی صف بودین، پس نوبت شماست. معذرت میخوام، منو ببخشید.
This kind of pressure. I must confess, one more dusty road would be just a road too long.
I just can't seem to get started. Don't have the heart to live in the fast lane. All that is past and gone.
There ain't nothing you can do about it. Hurt me while I panic.
من میدونم اون مغازه خیلی گرونه.
ارزان، ما داریم راجع به ارزانی قیمت ها حرف میزنیم.
Hey, what about Rooney's down on 53rd? They got like used vacuums and junk.
هر که میخواهید از این فروشگاه‌های زنجیره‌ای خرید کنید، به نفع شماست. اجناس ما خیلی عالیه. بشتابید که وقت داره تمام میشه. بشتابید.
Prove it and I don't even want to look at them.
I come from Casey, Missouri. And I got my kicks out of Route 66. Every truck stop from Butte to MO. Motown, New Old Alabama. From Texarkana and east to Savannah. From Tampa to Oklahoma. I once ran the Indy 500. I must confess I'm impressed how I did it. I wonder how close that I came. Now I get a sinking sensation. I was the top of the line, out of sight, out of mind. So much for fortune and fame.
بشتابید. هر که پول دارید بیاید بریزید تو جیب ما. از اجناس ما خرید بفرمایید. به نفع شماست. هر که بخرید به نفع شماست. خرید برای عموم آزاد است. بفرمایید خرید کنید.
Once took a Texan to a wedding. Once took a Texan to a wedding. He kept forgetting his loneliness, letting his thoughts turn to home and return.
I took a man to a graveyard. I beg your pardon, it's quite hard enough just living with the stuff I have learned.
Why don't we just go cruising and see what we can find?
نمیدونم چرا هر کی حرف میزنم کمتر به حرفم توجه میشه. چه کاراش من دارم تبلیغ میکنم هیچ کس نمیاد از اینجا خرید کنه. وای که من دارم دیوونه میشم. بشتابید، بیاید از اینجا خرید کنید. آهای مردم، بیاید خرید کنید. از فروشگاه ما خرید کنید. به نفع شماست. وای بیاید عجله کنید. دیوونه شدم. وای.
من که هیچ وقت اسم این مغازه رو نشنیدم. انگار بعدم نیست.
Once drove a surf at the sunset. There were bikinis and buns, there were weenies. Bellini just couldn't forget. Kiko, let's go up to Zuma. From Zuma to Yuma, the rumor was I had a hand in the lay of the land. Get up and go hit the highway.
On a reservation. Who would believe they would love me and leave on a bus back to old Santa Fe? Once in an Indian nation, I took the kids on the skids with the hope he was happy till I heard him say, "You're worthless."